The first one literally means erected penis. Probably like a rock in the formation of an erected penis. And the rest have normal meanings. It's 40 baht for Thai people, 20 baht for Thai kids. Alright, it's raining. So this area covers the 3 regions of Thailand: central, north, and northeast. A lot of people are hiding from the rain. They were like, whatever, we want to see the view. Yeah, we don't have much time either, so gotta go. Meow, 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 meow. This is the view. Yeah, the hill is not waterproof or fog-proof, so that's the view. You can see slightly. You can slightly see a tiny bit of hill there. That's it. That's it. That's it. We're done. So what does it say? 846 meters from the sea level. Okay, it's slightly clearing off, so it gets a bit better now. Way at the back there, those are lucky people. They probably are not facing any rain, so this is us. So if you go straight, you're at the cliff, like literally at the end of the cliff. And if you go to the left, you will see like a flower field. So these are all the rules. Let's go. Flower field, 100 more meters. Almost there. Do not enter the field. If you do, you will be fined 500 baht. So yeah, don't put your foot down there. Be also very careful of uneven steps, so you know you may easily trip every few steps. So yeah, be really careful. And there are actually a few ledges that go down because these are actually steps. How are you doing?
Awesome.
Awesome. Why?
It's a beautiful day.
It is. Well, it wasn't, but now it is. And why else?
And look at the flowers.
Maybe more on this side.
But there's no stick here.
And well, why else?
The weather.
Oh, I said else, something different.
Do you want me to compliment you?
I don't know. Up to you. Speak your heart out.
It's good to walk with you. To have a bodyguard by my side.
Okay, bye. Come on, you get Thai price. This is worth it. Maybe not worth it if you get foreign price. Do not bring food to the destination or touristic areas. Up rock formation. If you remove one signal twig, this entire thing will break down and come down and hit us. I don't know, just kidding. Bye bye. Oh, look at a nice view.
Wow.
That's where the sun is setting. Yeah, it's evening now. It's like 5:20, so back to Bangkok tonight.